Most people get this wrong when they hear about Rakuten. They think it is some kind of money trick or an app that gives free cash instantly. Then they try it once, don't understand how it works, and quit too early. Here's the truth no one tells you. Rakuten is not a get-rich-quick app. It is a cashback system that quietly returns money on shopping you were already going to do. Quick promise for you. In this video, you will understand how Rakuten really works in 2026, whether it is still worth using, how people actually earn cashback, and how to avoid the mistakes that make beginners think it is useless. Let's start with the basic idea. Rakuten partners with thousands of online stores. When you shop through Rakuten, those stores pay Rakuten a commission. Rakuten then shares part of that commission with you as cashback. So you are not earning money by clicking buttons. You are earning by shopping through the right link. Now here's where it gets interesting. The biggest mistake users make is installing Rakuten and expecting instant earnings. But cashback is not instant. It usually becomes pending first, then it is confirmed after the store verifies your purchase. This can take days or even weeks depending on the retailer. Let's talk about real usage. Imagine Alex is buying shoes online for $80. If he goes directly to the store, he gets nothing back. But if he opens Rakuten first and clicks through the store link, he might get a percentage back as cashback. Over time, this adds up on normal spending like clothing, electronics, and travel bookings. But here's the problem. People forget to activate Rakuten before shopping. If you skip the activation step, the purchase does not track, and you lose cashback. That's the number one reason users think Rakuten doesn't work. Now, let's talk about payouts. Rakuten typically pays via PayPal or check, depending on your region settings. Payments are usually made on a fixed schedule, not instantly after each purchase. So patience is part of the system. In 2026, Rakuten is still worth it if you understand what it actually does. It is not a side income app. It is a passive savings tool. Someone like John, who regularly shops online, can save hundreds per year just by remembering to activate cashback before buying. Now here's a simple way to get the most out of it. Always install the browser extension, activate cashback before checkout, and double-check that the store is eligible. In a minute, you will notice that consistency matters more than chasing high percentages. Let's quickly summarize everything. Rakuten works by sharing affiliate commissions with users. It is not instant income, but long-term savings. The biggest success factor is remembering to activate it before every purchase. And it still works in 2026 as a solid cashback tool, not a money-making shortcut. If you understand that, you will actually benefit from it, instead of getting confused or quitting early. If this helped, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns like this.